This video offers valuable information for people with diabetes who may encounter different units of measurement depending on their country. In the content that follows, you'll learn how these units are used to monitor blood sugar levels, what the normal sugar level range is when using a glucose monitor, and the difference between standard glucose readings and the HbA1c test. Additionally, we've included a table that shows how you can convert from one unit to another using the formulas provided. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to comment below, and we'll be happy to help.